Christmas morning, baby Will. Got his little book.
That's what I wanted!
That was from Will.
What baby Will get you?
Lucy from Will?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
It's just what I wanted, Will. Thank you.
What is it, Luce?
A chart.
It's a flashlight. What's baby Will got? Who's this from, Willie?
This is from Lucy. Lucy picked this out for Will.
Open it up, bud. Let him, don't miss, let him
Remember
do
what
it.
you picked out? Stand back a little bit so Daddy can.
I can see.
What is it, Will?
It's a dinosaur flashlight.
Look, buddy. What is that?
Let me help.
What is it, Will?
I'm good. What's this thing in there in the front with the bow?
Dinosaurs!
No way.
Holy smokes.
I can't wait to step on those.
Ha. Ha.
Okay.
Anything else, thing?
What you got, Will?
Will, what'd you get?
Let's see it.
This says nothing.
It says to little Will from